Hi, Misty Adams here with the City of Grapevine Parks and Recreation Department. Today I'm here to talk about iNaturalist and its importance. The first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find iNaturalist in your app store. The iNaturalist will look like this. It's got a little bird and says iNaturalist. You'll hit download. I've already downloaded it, so it had the cloud function. You'll wait for it to download, and then you're going to go ahead and open up your app. Once you're here, you're going to want to create an account. Once you've created an iNaturalist account, your screen will look something like this. This is the Go Wild iNaturalist account, and you can see all the observations that I've made here. If you want to make your first observation, you're going to click down here on the bottom of the little camera. It's going to bring up a couple different options. You're going to have a camera roll or a camera. The camera allows you to take a live photo in nature. A camera roll as if you were in nature and you took photos just with your phone. I'm going to click camera roll. It's going to bring up all the different photos that I took in nature today. I'm going to add this one here. You're going to see retake if you don't like the photo and you want to pick a different one, or next. We'll hit next. It's going to bring up this screen here. We're going to click on what do you see? And it's going to bring up some different options of what this might be. This top one here looks pretty similar to what this one is. I'm going to click it.
Now click Share to upload your observation to iNaturalist.
In the month of September, the City of Grapevine Parks and Recreation Department is contributing to Parks for Pollinators through the National Recreation and Parks Association. Download the iNaturalist app today to become part of this great project.